What are the strangest things in our solar system that you can think of? A planet that spins on its side? A moon that erupts with lava more than 100 times that found on Earth? Out there, beyond the familiar pale blue dot of Earth, lies a realm of celestial wonders that challenge our understanding of the universe. So, buckle up, space fans, as we take you on a journey to explore some of the most peculiar and fascinating objects in our solar system. Our first stop takes us to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant with a swirling storm that could swallow Earth whole, the Great Red Spot. But we're not here for Jupiter itself, we're here for one of its moons, Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Imagine a world covered in volcanoes, spewing lava fountains that reach tens of kilometers high. These eruptions are so powerful they can even be seen with large Earth-based telescopes. Io's volcanic activity is due to a gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its other large moons. This constant stretching and squeezing generates an incredible amount of internal heat, which has to escape somehow. And volcanoes are Io's way of letting off some steam. Now let's talk about our very own moon. You might think, the moon? What's so strange about that? Well, for starters, it's huge. In proportion to its planet, it's the largest moon in the solar system. Our moon is a quarter the diameter of Earth. This unusual size has some pretty significant effects on us Earthlings, like giving us those amazing tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, causing them to bulge out on the side facing the moon and the side facing away from it. And then there are solar eclipses. Our moon's size is key here. It's just the right size and distance from Earth to completely block out the sun during a solar eclipse, creating that spectacular sight of a fiery ring around a dark disk. Speaking of our moon, did you know it might have a long-lost cousin lurking out there? Meet Kamo'alewa, a quasi-moon that hangs out near Earth. Unlike our moon, which orbits Earth directly, Kamo'alewa is on a horseshoe-shaped orbit around the sun. Kamo'alewa's orbit is synchronized with Earth's in a way that keeps it as a constant companion, albeit a distant one. Astronomers studying its light have found that it reflects sunlight in a similar way to lunar rocks. This has led to speculation that Kamo'alewa could be a fragment blasted off the moon's surface long ago, perhaps during a giant impact. The Great Comet Hale-Bopp, a celestial spectacle. Comets, those icy wanderers of the cosmos, have always captivated our imagination. And one of the most spectacular comets in recent history was Hale-Bopp, a cosmic visitor that graced our skies back in 1997. Hale-Bopp was a behemoth, with a nucleus estimated to be between 40 to 60 kilometers in diameter. As Hale-Bopp approached the sun, it heated up, creating a massive glowing coma and two distinct tails, a white dust tail and a bluish ion tail, stretching millions of kilometers across the sky. Hale-Bopp was visible to the naked eye for a record-breaking 18 months, becoming a global sensation. It was a stark reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the wonders that lie beyond our planet. The sideways world of Uranus, a planetary tilt-a-whirl. Our next stop takes us to the ice giant Uranus, a planet that's as weird as it is wonderful. Most planets in our solar system spin on their axis with a slight tilt, but Uranus decided to take things to a whole new level. This icy giant is tilted on its side with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. That means it essentially spins on its side, orbiting the sun like a rolling ball. With that kind of tilt, each pole experiences decades of continuous sunlight, followed by decades of darkness. The leading theory is that early in its history, Uranus was slammed into by a massive object, perhaps a rogue planet or a huge asteroid, knocking it on its side. Saturn's two-faced moon Iapetus. Saturn, the ring jewel of our solar system, is home to a menagerie of moons, each more intriguing than the last. These moons vary in size, composition, and characteristics, making Saturn a fascinating subject of study for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. But one moon in particular stands out for its bizarre appearance, Iapetus. This moon has puzzled scientists for decades due to its unique and contrasting features. One side of it is as bright as snow, while the other side is as dark as coal. This stark contrast has led to Iapetus being nicknamed the yin-yang moon. And as if that wasn't strange enough, Iapetus also has a massive equatorial ridge that encircles its entire equator. This ridge is one of the most unusual features found on any moon in our solar system. This ridge, which can reach heights of up to 20 kilometers, makes Iapetus look like a giant walnut. The formation of this ridge remains a topic of much debate and curiosity among scientists. One possibility is that Iapetus swept up dark material from space, perhaps from a passing comet or a distant moon, giving it its distinctive yin-yang appearance. This theory suggests that the moon's surface has been significantly altered by external forces. As for the ridge, one theory suggests that it might be the remnants of a collapsed ring system. This idea posits that Iapetus once had a ring, similar to Saturn, which eventually fell onto the moon's surface, creating the ridge we see today. Mars' Grand Canyon Valle Marineris, Mars, the red planet, has always captured our imagination as a potential abode for life. Its mysterious landscapes and striking red hue have fascinated scientists and enthusiasts alike for decades. But this rusty world is also home to some of the most extreme geological features in our solar system, including Valles Marineris, a canyon so grand it makes Earth's Grand Canyon look like a ditch. This immense canyon system is a testament to the dynamic and violent geological history of Mars. This colossal chasm stretches over 4,000 kilometers long, 200 kilometers wide, and up to 7 kilometers deep. To put that in perspective, it would span the entire width of the United States. Unlike the Grand Canyon, which was carved by the Colorado River, Valles Marineris is thought to have formed through tectonic activity. The forces that shape this canyon are a window into the planet's tumultuous past. Billions of years ago, as the Martian crust cooled and contracted, it ripped apart, creating this colossal rift valley. This process was driven by the planet's internal dynamics, which are still not fully understood. Towering over Valles Marineris is Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system, rising 25 kilometers above the surrounding plains. This towering giant adds to the dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape of Mars. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is a world shrouded in mystery. This hazy orange orb is home to a dense atmosphere, thicker than Earth's, and it's the only moon in our solar system known to have stable bodies of liquid on its surface. But here's the catch. These aren't your typical lakes and seas. Instead of water, Titan's surface is dotted with lakes and seas of liquid methane and ethane, hydrocarbons that exist as gases on Earth. These methane seas were first discovered by the Cassini spacecraft, which spent over a decade exploring Saturn and its moons. Some of these methane seas are larger than Earth's Great Lakes, and scientists believe they could be home to a strange and exotic form of life. Another of Saturn's moons, Enceladus, might be small, but it's a true overachiever when it comes to surprises. Despite its modest size, this moon has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This icy world, just a fraction the size of our moon, is one of the most promising places in our solar system to search for life beyond Earth. Its surface is a frozen expanse, but beneath lies a world of potential. And it's all thanks to its spectacular ice volcanoes. These natural wonders are unlike anything found on Earth. Instead of spewing molten rock, Enceladus's volcanoes erupt with plumes of water vapor, ice particles, and organic molecules. This unique phenomenon has intrigued scientists for years. These plumes, some of which reach hundreds of kilometers high, originate from a vast, salty ocean hidden beneath Enceladus's icy shell. This ocean is kept warm by tidal forces from Saturn's gravity. The discovery of these plumes revealed that this tiny moon is a geologically active world with a potentially habitable environment. The activity on Enceladus suggests that it is far from a dead, frozen world. The plumes provide a tantalizing glimpse into the composition of Enceladus's hidden ocean, and scientists believe they could harbor evidence of life. The search for life beyond Earth might just find its answer in these icy jets. Our final stop takes us to the edge of our solar system, where we encountered a mysterious visitor from interstellar space, Oumuamua. This strange object, the first known interstellar object to visit our solar system, made headlines around the world when it was discovered in 2017. Oumuamua had a peculiar elongated shape like a giant cigar, and it was tumbling end over end as it zipped through our solar system at an incredible speed. Its brightness varied dramatically as it rotated, suggesting that it had a complex, irregular surface. While the true nature of Oumuamua remains a mystery, Its discovery has opened our eyes to the possibility that our solar system is just one of many planetary systems in the vast expanse of the cosmos. From volcanic moons and tilted planets to giant canyons and methane seas, our solar system is a treasure trove of celestial wonders, and these are just a few of the countless strange and fascinating objects that await our discovery. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is full of surprises, and who knows what other cosmic oddities we might encounter as we continue to explore the vast expanse of space. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.